everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Simran, and in today's video I'll be creating this eyeshadow look which is inspired by rainbows and Coralista blocks. So yeah, initially I thought I won't be able to pull it off, but somehow I did. So watch this full video to know how. So normally कंसीलर से प्राइम करते हैं, प्राइम कर लिया था ताकि कलर पे ऑफ ज़्यादा हो. और the basic idea is to go from lighter shade to darker shade. जैसे for the inner corner I have used yellow, and then I have moved to orange, red, and then dark pink. Most of the shades I have used are matte, just for a little bit shimmer effect. In the outer corner I have used some shimmery shades, but all the shades are mostly matte. एंड द वन थिंग, अगर आप ऐसा लुक क्रिएट कर रहे हो तो आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि सारा कलर ब्लेंडेबल तो हो, लेकिन एट द सेम टाइम डोंट ब्लेंड इट टू हार्शली जैसे स्मोकी आई को करते हैं, ताकि वो जो कलर पे ऑफ है वो मिक्स नहीं हो एक दूसरे के साथ और कलर का एग्जिस्टेंस रहे, मतलब वो जो ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट है वो दिखे. सो आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस लुक लाइक सो. और इनर कॉर्नर को यू कैन मेक ब्राइट इफ़ यू वांट, एंड इट्स योर कैनवस, यू कैन डू वॉट एवर यू वांट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग दीज डेज. आई एम एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग अ लॉट विथ मेकअप. सो फॉर माई इनर नीचे वाली काजल लाइन के लिए भी मैंने सेम डार्क पिंक मैट आई शेडो यूज़ किया था, just like that, just to brush it off. And for the other eye I'm using some blue transition shade. It will transition like yellow, green, light blue and dark blue, like that. And I really loved creating this look. This is like so colorful, and I did not think कि ये इतना अच्छा लगेगा, कलर पे ऑफ उतना अच्छा आएगा, but somehow I did an amazing job. So how you liked it, do let me know in the comment section. It would mean a lot to me. So again, if you are using dark shades, blend it nicely ताकि कुछ भी harsh edges नहीं रह जाएं. So I'm using this big blending brush to blend it. And lower line के लिए भी the same goes, जो भी brush में है that just brush it off and let it be. And liner, if your eyeshadow is very poppy, I prefer using very thin liner so that eyeshadow का look उससे cover up नहीं हो liner से. And normally people use lashes, but I don't prefer using lashes, I don't like it, but in future I'll try using lashes because that's not my comfort zone and I'm getting out of my comfort zone, so lashes is the next thing I should try. So yeah, so this is the liner I'm going, just a very thin wing liner. And for foundation I have used Estee Lauder foundation, क्योंकि अगर आई शेडो इतना पॉपी है तो you should go for some heavy duty foundation, otherwise your face will pull off the look. And once you are applying the foundation, just take a thin brush और move around your eyes ताकि जो भी कंसीलर के हार्श एजेस हैं वो चले जाएं. And highlighter, I'm using normal Swiss Beauty highlighter, which is amazing, and this is a nude shade from Color Bar which I have used. So this was my favorite nude shade which I have used. It goes with all my looks, so I hope it will suit me here also. So do let me know how you like this video. Yes, I have used mascara, but I missed it recording. If you like my video, how you liked it, do let me know in the comment section, guys. So see you next time.